Hello friends, welcome to our channel TechLambda. So here we discuss about some string operation in PowerShell series. So first we start with basic, like first we declare variable. We variable name is course name, and we define course PowerShell. We give some numeric value also, so you understand properly. So this is our um, string. It consider in string because uh, we bind up with the quiet, so it consider string. So if you want to check its length, so directly dot length, so it provide you full string length. So this is, let's be clear, that CLS provide. If you run, so it provide string length is 14. If you want to check substring, like if you want to check 0 to 5 index, how much string is here, so with the help of substring you check. So if you check, so it provide power in 5, 1 2 3 4 5 is 5, 0 to 5 is power. If you want to check other operation, if you want to do other operation with string, so ER. If you want to check ER is there in string or not, so you easily check with provide true, because ER is there. In power, ER is available, so it provide true. If you check other things like oh, SH, so it provide false because SH not contain. So if you want to do other operations, so you with the help of string you do other operation also. Uh, you check to upper to lower. So if you check to upper, so here you see in uppercase PowerShell. If you want to check lower, so you simply write lower. Uh, so you you check lower also. This is lower and this is upper value. This is lower value. If you want to check index is any, if you want to check like 2 3 4 index, like 1 2 3, you want to check index, so you easily check with, so this is in 10th number, so count like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here all are available. So if you check other thing last index, so you easily check if you want to check mm, last letter, first letter, last letter, substring, uh, uh, string index, starting index, last index, everything you check with the help of some operation. So 13. So thank you. This is all about PowerShell series. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.